Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Anindita Aulia Azma with NIM 1240111040062, major PGMI. Between hope and reality, in a very beautiful remote village for girl, there was a little girl named Tasha. Tasha is a girl who is very hopeful and has big dreams in her life and always dream of becoming rich. Tasha is the daughter of a maid who works in a luxurious house in a village. Tasha lives in a house with a hut in a remote village far from the city. Her mother is just a maid. However, behind her big hopes and dreams, there are many realities that make her sad. Tasha and her mother live alone. Sometimes even to eat a mouthful of rice is very difficult. One day, when Tasha was walking on the market with a sad feeling of many hopes and dreams, she found a sparkling pebble on the side of the road. The stone was different from the other stones. Its color was beautiful and it shone very shiny. When Tasha took the stone, she suddenly felt that she was pulled into a fantasy world. In that fantasy world, all dreams and hopes can come true without any effort. Just mentioning what hopes and dreams we want that have not come true. Then Tasha met many magical creatures such as little fairies and also trees that can talk like humans. She was very happy because there she could have whatever desires and hopes she had always wanted. Various toys, delicious food, and also a big house like a rich person. Tasha really forgot herself and became arrogant because everything she wanted had come true. However, not all fantasy worlds are as beautiful as imagined. Suddenly, an evil witch appears who guards the fantasy world. The witch does not like it when children are happy and hopeful, and the witch wants to take the shiny pebbles that Tasha had found and taken earlier. The evil witch wanted to take the stone that Tasha found earlier so that Tasha would soon realize that the hopes that had come true would have a big impact later. Because behind the request and hope that she wanted, it became a disaster for her mother and thus a crisis to her. After that, there was an exciting fight between the evil witch and Tasha. But Tasha failed to save the stone from her grasp, so the witch managed to seize it until all the hopes and dreams that had been realized without any effort were instantly lost and faded. After an exciting battle between the evil witch and Tasha, Tasha realized her behavior and dreams. Finally, she returned to the real world with empty hands and empty eyes. Now only reality could be seen that could walk with her, and the luxurious house she dreamed of was no longer like the shack she had. Tasha realized that even though she lived simply with many hopes and dreams, but there is no effort at all, it will never come true and be in vain, and will not be able to change her future to be better. Tasha realized that the real world and the fantasy world took her that between hope and reality. We must dare to balance dreaming while working hard and making an effort. Nothing is realized unless there is an effort behind the realization of something. This story teaches that even though reality is sometimes difficult, hope and dreams without effort do not determine a good future. Fantasy helps to dream, but reality requires real effort. As stated in the Al-Quran, Quran Surah Al-Baqarah 155. وَلَنَبْلُوَنَّكُمْ بِشَيْءٍ مِّنَ الْخَوْفِ وَالْجُوعِ وَنَكِمٍ مِّنَ الْأَمْوَالِ وَالْأَنفُسِ وَالثَّمَرَاتِ وَبَشِّرِ الصَّابِرِينَ. We will certainly test you with a little fear, hunger, lack of wealth, life, and fruit, and convey good news to those who are patient. And the proposition of the Al-Quran, Quran Surah Ar-Ra'd 11. Inna Allah la yughayyiru ma biqawmin hatta yughayyiru ma bi anfusihim. Indeed, Allah will not change the condition of a people until they change the condition of themselves. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.